the soon-to-be Relaxaway Key. This is your old area. Okay, that's still going to be for Holland America. But as you make your way around the island, which this is an island, it's their private island. As you can see, they really coming a long way. Looks like they cut right into the little hills there. Going to be pretty big, and it's actually going to connect. Pier's almost done, but not quite ready to open yet. Still see trucks moving over there. But yeah, the whole beach is going to connect, so you're going to be able to walk from one side to the other. Alright, I don't think we'll be able to get any real close views of it, but here we are, Relaxaway Keys, formerly known as Half Moon Cay. But anyway, so that's the new part back behind me. You see the pier's almost done, and that's going to be the thing. But now the cool part is the beach. Yeah, the cool part's her, but the beach is going to go all the way around to the new part. But it makes it look like everything's going to be in that corner over there. Crazy. Anyway, so we're going to get off now. And but you still got a shuttle at this point. Today is April 28th of 2026.
What time is it?
It's not close to being done yet.
It's not close yet.
So, not even
Maybe
close.
next year.
Okay. So anyway, so you're going to read the news today. A woman gets thrown overboard.
Because it goes to prison. She
All right.
gets all the money.
All right. We're getting ready to go down. We got to get on the tender. We'll meet you over on the island, or all the way over there, by the way, on the tender. All right. We'll bring it to you in a couple of minutes.
Whatever he said.
Read the news tomorrow. Bye. Will soon be coming to an end. No more tendering soon.
Here, Bubby.
What? Here we go. Oh, you can get a drink right away. We're gonna pass that and move on. We have.
You could do a ceremony here. Lee and Daryl could have got remarried here.
Pickleball is everywhere. It's even here on the island. All right, still making our way. We like to be down by the food. We only eat once, but bring in the food. All right, that's how they get it down here. All right, as you can see, it's pretty crowded already. So y'all remember what the pirate ship used to look like? Well, that's what it looks like now. They got unsafe, they tore it down, and that's what's left. So let's go up there and look at it and see if it's a bar. So that's what it is. It's called the Island Estate, formerly a pirate ship. Still shaped like a pirate ship bar, but that's what's left. Beautiful pictures. Right down there, just a little bit in front of that. But if you come up here to the bar and come through, and there's a trail that comes up right there. That's why we like to come pretty far down. It's right by your Island Essentials shop. There's your buffet area. Not open yet, naturally. Plenty of seating. Plenty of seating. And then that's where your buffet is going to be. And it's usually pretty good. Again, won't open for a couple more hours, but it's awesome. So then right back down the trail, takes you right back to that water. All right, so one good thing about here at Half Moon Cay, Relax Away Cay, whatever they're gonna call it this week, it is very foot friendly. This sand is like walking in sugar, and I mean all the way out to the line out there. It's a great place to come and walk around. The only time you need to cover your feet is when you got disgusting, ugly feet like mine. Then you should keep your shoes on, so I don't want to see them. All right, so anyway, so we're gonna get in that water. That water, I've already touched it and felt it. It's cold, so, but I'm gonna go get in it, take it like a man, just dive right in. All right, we'll see you out there in the water. As you can see, this is what it all looks like. I mean, even out here. I'm gonna take it out a little ways in the water. My phone's not waterproof, so. Whew, almost fell. Would have been ugly. But as you can see, it's just basically sugar all the way out. All the way out is like that. Beautiful. One of our favorite places to relax in the water all day long. Not sure what they're building there. They are doing a lot of work there. All right, I'm gonna enjoy my day. I'll see you in a few hours.
food. We've been at the beach for about an hour and a half, and now we're hungry. So let's go.
We've been at the beach way more. All right, and look at that.
Beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day, and then when she gets back, she's finally going to get in the
I
water.
will, after dinner.
All right,
Lunch.
so we'll spend the rest of our day in the water.
Yeah.
All right, see you at the buffet. A little different than it was earlier. A little bit crowded now. Everybody's got food. We still got a bar. You can go to the bar. We don't need a bar. Plenty of seating. All right. Go ahead and get yours all the way here.
Is this good or you want to?
Wow, the smoke smells good. I wish I ate red meat, but I don't. But wow, it looks beautiful. Let's see what they got here. Bananas, fire, fire. Not sure where all these people are going. They're all the same. They're all the same. There's several. When you come here, there's several. I got a bucket out there by the beach. All right, so as you can see, they're kind of all the same. Cookies, brownies, that's all dessert. Burgers cooking. And no flies. That's the best part. No flies. All right, we're gonna get some food.
A few minutes later. A few moments later.
Can't cash for that. Get your tickets. Go cash and get your money. Don't do it. I give you my card. You want to share that card?
A few minutes later.
Where are we going?
We're going to dinner.
What happened today, love?
I won a lot of money.
I won a lot of money today.
Maybe $200.
I did, because I won almost $1,700 today. Little piggies. Little piggies are awesome.
We had a good day.
Yep.
So now we're getting ready to go to dinner.
All right, we'll bring you that menu right about.
Now.
What'd you get?
I got a cheeseburger and fries.
Off of what menu?
The kids.
The kids' menu. It's actually a little bit bigger than normal.
It is a big burger.
It's actually a regular sized burger. Normally it's a
No,
little
it's
bit.
just got cheese all over.
It's normally a baby burger. And then I got pasta visual times 2. Hello.
I got fried chicken.
Fried chicken and mashed taters and gravy
That's
and
right.
some broccoli.
That's right.
Looks good. I mean, it smells good too. Wish I
It
had
does
to
smell
it.
good.
And I got the spaghetti carbonara. All right, babe, what'd you get?
I didn't get anything because I'm going to get me a milkshake.
No.
I get milkshake.
Well, I'm gonna get one too.
No,
She
you're
got nothing, and then I got banana cream pie and some coffee. Decaf, of course. Alright, babe, what are we doing?
Closing out our night. We've been to the casino and Pat was a winner and I lost
Again.
again. Yeah.
I've won over $2,000 today.
You won 500 tonight.
Yep, 600, but yeah,
I'm a
500.
winner because I had a milkshake today.
She did. She's got a Spirit of Kentucky, and I have a Frappuccino with decaf. Don't ask me the point, but it tastes good.
This is delicious.
All right, so tomorrow's sea day. She'll be up early going out to the pool, and I'll probably be downstairs trying to give it back. All right, we'll see you in the morning.
Spirit of Kentucky.
Frappuccino,
Decaf.
decaf.
Cheers.
See ya.